Hello everyone, and in this video we learn about static routes. What are static routes? Static route is a routing protocol whereby we manually input our destinations. It's not like we can make the router dynamically showcase its IP addresses, unlike OSPF or other dynamic types of routing. So this static we manually input it. So we are going to make router 0 touch router 3. That we are going to make PC in router 0 communicate with PC here in router 3. And also I've labeled the topology for you. I did the topology before starting the video. I also placed the IP addresses for you guys, but I'm not actually set it. I'll show you how to set it, but setting it I'll use the config tab. So in this video we don't really need to know how to use the VLANs, just create it, you understand? So come to router 0 here. This is gig 02 for these two things here. I made it in a very confusing way, so convincing way, at the easy, or let me say easy way. So let's set the IP address 192.168.10.1, which is the default gateway. We come here. Okay, we come here first. Our gig 02 should be a trunk port. Trunk. Okay. Then gig 02 is trunk. Then gig, you don't need to set anything again. You don't need VLANs here. So come to config here, desktop. Then 192.168.10.2. You should have 2, Control C. Then 1, and that is okay. And we come here, 3, 1, that is okay. So we have configured this. To test it, we just ping 1, we just ping the first one and it worked. You see it worked. We also try it for this one. We ping the second one and it worked. So that's it for this part. You can also come here, gig 02 again, gig 02, set IP address 20.1 and turn it on, Control C. Then come to switch, make gig 02 the trunk port. Okay, then set here, desktop, set the IP. Okay, come here too, set the IP, and we are done. To test it, this is still blinking 0. To make it fast, just come here and fast forward. Then to test it, we ping and it's replied immediately. So we also ping 3 and it's replied immediately. No stress. This is actually very easy configuring them. So we also come here. So we add IP addresses to these ones. You see how I just did it? If you go to gig 01, I'll do this two, then I'll do other ones very fast. I don't want this video to be long. So gig 01, this is 10.10.10.0/30. That means it has two addresses, which is 1 and 2. The third one, dot 3, is the broadcast address. So 10.10.10.1, and it's 255.255.255.252. I should copy this. Then we turn it on, gig 01, right? Then we come here again, also gig 01, we turn it on, it has turned on. Then we 10.10.10.2, we set that, and that's it. So I'll do this remaining 1 and 2 very fast. Yeah, so I made a few changes. I named the routers Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, and South Africa. So like I used to say, this is Nigeria, and in Nigeria we are trying to contact someone in South Africa here. That's how we're going to do this routing. So we're going to configure the routers here. We are going to configure the routers between Nigeria and Ghana. That is a Ghana router and Cameroon router, so that they can help us communicate with South African router here. So we're going to configure both the forward, the forward route and the backward route. Now, the difference between the forward and backward route is that in the forward route we add the ports. That is, when I mean port, I mean all these gig 01, gig 00, gig 0. But in backward route, we add the IP address of the interface. That is 10.10, 10.10, something like that. So let's forward the let's do the forward route first. So let's start. Come to the Nigerian router here. Since you are trying to reach this this place, since you are trying to reach this, that's 192 dot. You are trying to reach this, so we will come here, enable config t, then we paste. I don't think I have anything to paste. IP route 192.168.20.255.255.255.0. That's the subnet mask. Then we add the outgoing interface, which is gig 01. So we write gig 01, and that's it. We write it. Then we come to probably copy this. Then you come to Ghana. Okay, I just want to enter the section. You just paste, then the outgoing interface is 0, 0. Then yeah, 0, 0. We have done that. Then we come to Cameroon router. We do the same thing. Outgoing interface is gig 01. Yes, right. And now we are done. We have reached here, and here now we are going to start configuring the backward route. That means everything is going backwards. And remember what I said, the backward route, we use the IP address of the nest interface. I'm also going to show you that. So it's just the same thing. The difference is the IP address. So here we change it to 10. Then the IP address of the nest hub is this. This nest hub here is 10.10.10.9. So it is 10.10.10.9. If I'm correct, I'll do it right. Then I'll also come here. Okay, I'll also come here and 10.10.10. Is 5. Okay, I've done that also. Then I'll come to Ghana router again. Then I'll do 10.10.1, and I'll save. And I'll save. And just like that, we are done with static routing. Here we have configured this so that Ghana can touch South Africa. So let's see if we did right. I'll come to PC and come to command prompt, and I'll ping 10. Okay, 192.168.20.1, and it replied immediately. And I'll ping one of the PCs here, I think it's 2, and it also replied immediately. And I'll ping PC3. If your own doesn't reply immediately, just ping again. The second time to probably work. It might not work in first 3 and work in the last one. Then if you try it, it will definitely work. So let's try it again. Okay, 192.168.10.1, and it's replied immediately, and that's 2, and it replied immediately. And this is it for static routing. Very easy. If you need any questions, tell me in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. This should be Tech, your networking boy. Yeah, this should be Tech, and I teach networking. Thank you.